Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some stuffed potatoes, and for that we need of course some potatoes. We took 6 of them. We need to put some oil onto them, and let's start adding some salt on each of them. Red pepper. Let's add also black pepper on all of them, and some khamari suneli, or you can use anything else that you think goes good with potatoes. Turn aside and make the same with the other side as well. Let's say adding salt, black and red peppers, and let's give some air to the potatoes and inside with the help of the fork, and we are going to make this be cooked in the oven for 40 minutes. But before it is cooked, let's make the mixture for stuffing the potatoes. For that we need some chicken breast to be cooked beforehand and cut it down, cheddar cheese, some parsley, and sour cheese. And whenever you do this, we hope that the potatoes are ready, but before that let's also add a little bit of salt and red pepper. And whenever the potatoes are done, cut them into 2 pieces, like as you see in the video, and just take out the potatoes, the inside of the potatoes from the skin, like as you see in the video, and add that to the mixture that you just have prepared. Mix it properly. And whenever done, you will be ready to fill up the potatoes with the mixture. Repeat this for every potato that you have, every half potato that you have. And add some cheddar cheese onto the top of them. Repeat this with all of them, and then add also some parsley. You will need to cook this in the oven again for 10 to 15 minutes, and whenever done, it is ready to be tasted.